Hey, dear, have you seen the new painting I hung in the living room? I think it adds a nice touch to the decor.
Yes, I noticed it earlier. It looks fantastic. You have a great eye for interior design, honey. It really brightens up the whole room.
Thank you. I'm glad you like it. I wanted to create a more vibrant atmosphere in the house. Speaking of which, have you thought about the color scheme for the kitchen renovation?
Actually, I've been researching different options. I think a combination of light blue and white would give it a fresh and clean look. What do you think?
Oh, I love that idea. It'll make the kitchen feel so inviting and airy. And it'll be a great complement to the new countertop we picked out. I can't wait to start cooking in that space.
Me too. It's going to be a fun project. By the way, have you spoken to the contractor about our proposed timeline? I think it's important to get a clear idea of how long the renovation will take.
Yes, I did. They said it would take approximately 3 weeks to complete, considering the scope of work. So, we should plan accordingly and make arrangements for meals during that time.
3 weeks sounds reasonable. We can set up a temporary kitchenette in the dining area and maybe even explore some takeout options. It could be an opportunity to try new restaurants in the neighborhood.
That's a great idea. We can turn it into a little adventure for the family. I'll start researching local eateries and the delivery options. We might even discover some hidden gems.
Perfect! I'm looking forward to it. On another note, have you thought about our summer vacation plans? The kids have been asking, and I think it's time we finalize our destination.
I've been considering a beach vacation. It would be nice to relax by the sea and enjoy some quality family time. What do you think?
I agree completely. A beach vacation sounds like the perfect way to unwind and recharge. Let's start looking into potential destinations and accommodations, so we can book everything in advance.
Definitely. I'll start researching and see what options we have. It's going to be a memorable trip for all of us.
I'm sure it will be. The kids will be thrilled. I'm grateful for the moments we get to spend together as a family. We're creating beautiful memories.
Absolutely, dear. Our family is everything to me, and I cherish these moments too. Let's make the most of our time together and continue building a loving and happy home.
I couldn't agree more, sweetheart. Our family is our foundation, and with each passing day, it only grows stronger. I'm grateful for you and our beautiful children.
And I'm grateful for you, my love. We make a great team, and I couldn't ask for a better partner in this journey. Together, we can overcome any challenge.
That means the world to me, darling. We're in this together, always. Our love and support will guide us through anything that comes our way.
That's the spirit. We've got this. Together, we can conquer anything. I love you, and I'm excited about the future we're building for our family.
I love you too, more than words can express. Our future is bright, and I'm excited to take every step of this journey with you.